Hey, welcome back everybody. Now, I know I said last weekend's video was going to be short, and it ended up not really being as short as I thought it would be, mostly because I had family in last weekend. This weekend's video will be short because my son and I are the only ones here this weekend. Crew Chief Al is out, and I haven't seen anybody else, so we're it. So there's not a whole lot I can do when flying solo, especially trying to put power on the aircraft. I know I've done that before, but I was doing something very specific and under very specific direction for that. I don't have such guidance this weekend, so not much we can do other than just tidy up the hangars and just pick up tools and whatnot and make sure everything's just looking good. One thing I do want to talk about is DCS. I have not done a DCS video in a while, and I know some of you really enjoy those, especially the Warbird guides. Well, I will be picking up with that here very shortly. In fact, my next one that I plan on doing this week is a quick overview of the new map that just released for DCS, which is the Kola Peninsula map. So I haven't had the chance to fly on it yet. I just bought it yesterday because it just released yesterday. So we're going to take some flights around on that map this week and see what it's like, because I know some people are on the fence about wanting either if they want to buy it or not. So I'm going to do a video on it. And so yes, I'm going to do a video on it so you guys can see and decide for yourselves on if you guys want that map. And then I will be picking up with the Warbirds again, and got some other stuff in the oven as well, but I'm not gonna spill the beans on that yet. The weather today, I know I mentioned a little something special for this weekend also. The weather, not super cooperative. I mean, it's not too bad today, but something happened. So I'll go ahead and spill the beans on that one. The F-100 was supposed to fly this weekend, and I was going to start putting all the GoPros up inside the cockpits and have you guys go on for an F-100 flight. Unfortunately, she's not going to fly today. Not exactly sure why, but that was what the idea was. So within the next few weekends, once the airplane's ready, once the pilot's ready, and we have good weather, you guys can go up in the skies with our F-100. So surprised to me as well that she didn't need anywhere near the level of work that this thing does, which still need to do some work to her, but gotta wait for the rest of the crew to come back for that one. All right, one thing that did need a little attention was the battery here on the Dash 60, because the last time we fired this up, it cranked up pretty slow, and this is very, very reliant on having a good strong battery in order to get the turbine up to speed so it can run through the ignition sequence and then run up all the way. So yeah, so that just got the battery charger. All right, everyone, sorry again for the slow video today. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure things will pick back up next weekend here at the hangar, and in the meantime, I'll see you in the virtual skies later this week. So till next time, take care, my friends.